Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add album art using Musicolet on Android. So let's get started. You want to add an album art on your Musicolet application. Now to do that, what you have to do is just simply open up your Musicolet. So after opening it, now from here, what you have to do is just simply select a song that you would like to add an album art to. And after selecting that song from here, what you have to do is just simply tap and hold on the following song. Just tap on that photo which you can find over that song, and after tapping on that, now you'll find change album art option. So now what you have to do is just simply tap on change album art, and from here you can change your album art. So you can search or download a video from your Google or any other browser, or if you don't like it, then you can just simply choose a photo from your gallery. So I'll just simply choose a photo from my gallery. I'll just simply tap on files and then select a photo from my files. And after selecting it, now what you can do is just simply enter the artist name. You can enter the album artist, you can enter the composer, you can also enter the lyrics and other following options. So just simply check that and then enter it, and then simply tap on the tick icon which is on the top right, and then tap on allow. After tapping on allow, you can see guys, the album art has been added to your song. So in this way you can also add an album art to your song. So that's it guys, this is how to add album art using Musicolet on Android. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.